If you have a large lawn like I do, I want to take a moment and speak directly to you. Now, if you have a smaller lawn, you are absolutely welcome to stick around. But in today's video, I am specifically talking to those of us who manage big lawns. We face challenges that smaller lawn owners simply don't experience. And in this video, I want to share some practical tips and strategies that I use to keep my lawn looking great all year round. Before we get started, let me just say, I have a full-time job, a wife, kids, sports, and family commitments, all of it. So if I can make this work, so can you. I want to offer you a free guide to everything that I talk about in this video. Plus, I'll give you 10 tips to tackle those large lawns. I'll send it to you for free if you sign up for my email alerts. It is completely free. Just go to my website, sign up for my email alerts, and it will automatically come to your inbox. What about if you've already signed up for my alerts and you want the guide too? Simple. I'll post it in my private Facebook page and you can grab it there and download it for free as well. Let's talk about the biggest time commitment when it comes to taking care of a big lawn. Mowing, without a doubt, is the most time-consuming part of lawn care. And I am still able to mow twice per week. And here are 2 key tips. I take what's called the dirty mow approach. Not every mow has to be a perfectly striped masterpiece. Sometimes you need to get on the mower and just get the job done. Do the deed and get on with life. My trimming strategy? Well, I must confess that I don't trim an edge every single time I mow. And if I'm being perfectly honest, I only trim about every 3rd or 4th mowing, or whenever I just have some extra time. When it comes to watering and being aware of the weather, keep an eye on the weather forecast is critical. Watering a large lawn can be an expensive task, so timing your applications around rainfall can be a great way to save money and save you a significant amount of time as well. Speaking of saving time, let's talk about efficiency when it comes to making applications. If you are not using a backpack sprayer to combine multiple products in one tank, you really are missing out on a huge opportunity to be more effective and productive. Every month, when I apply my fertilizer, my fungicides, and my pest control, I combine them all into one tank, saving both time and effort. Another big strategy that I use is something that I don't talk about enough. It's treating different parts of my lawn based on their specific needs. I'll give you an example. I have 2 children, and no matter how much I try to be fair, they have different needs, and my lawn is the same way. Certain areas require more water at specific times, while others may not need certain applications at all. And when you have a large lawn, it's important to adapt your care strategy accordingly. Be fair, but not equal. Let's talk about some cost-saving strategies. If you want to save some money, one of the biggest tips that I could give you is to focus on the cost per application and not focus on the cost per bottle. Let me give you an example. A gallon of azoxystrobin fungicide might seem expensive up front, but when broken down per application, it only costs me about $12 per treatment to cover my entire lawn. Compare that to something like Scott's Disease X, which costs $21 a bag for significantly less coverage. Always calculate the cost per application to maximize your budget. At the end of the day, I love having a big lawn, and I wouldn't want it any other way. Thanks for watching, enjoy the free guide, and I'll see you in the next video. My name is Devin, I'm the DIY Lawn Coach, and I can't wait to see you in the lawn.